Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machines for straight stitch. Adjust the stitch width dial. When the value is 0, it is a straight stitch. Set stitch length dial to 2-4. Step on foot control pedal, the machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing lever, sew a few reverse stitches. Release the lever and the machine will sew forward again. Cutting the thread. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Set the stitch width at 6. Adjust the stitch length dial. It can sew 23 types of stitches. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Turn on the sewing machine. Choose buttonhole stitch. Set the stitch width to 6. Set stitch length dial to 0.5-1. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Stitch density on right and left sides of buttonhole can be adjusted by buttonhole balance control dial. This dial should usually be in a neutral position, between plus and dash.